maybe you just want to build a basic wood shelf. So we're going to show you what you can do with this Toden bracket to make a wood shelf. So we just sunk a typical drywall fastener up through the bottom of the bracket, but that might not meet your needs. And if you take a lag screw with a fender washer, you can come up underneath, go into the channel, pop it in. Maybe you don't want to send a screw from the bottom up and you're looking for something that's a little more utility oriented. You can go with a carriage bolt from the top down. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, we got the base of a shelf. Next, 1/2-inch plywood. Pop a couple screws in that. 16-inch shelves are great. They're super versatile. Our bracket is 14.5 inches. We've provided you a shelf with a nice nosing. If you hold your board flush, we even gave you the option to put a face on it if that's what you want to do. Toden products can be used together or separately. We urge you to get out and do some projects and get your space organized to a spot that's right for you.